So now it's time to pull everything together and predict what the spectrum of a compound should look like. So the first thing we want to look at is the number of signals. We'll expect a signal from these protons. We'll expect a signal from the proton that's attached to the carbon here. And we'll expect a signal from these protons at this position. So there'll be 3 signals. The methyl to the left, it's a methyl, so we start with 0.9. It is right next to this carbonyl, and so that will be +1. So we'll expect the shift on that one to be at 1.9. The integration, well, there are 3 protons here, so we'll expect it to be 3. These hydrogens or protons have no near neighbors, and so we'll expect to have a singlet. The methylene, this is the one I've labeled 2. It starts as 1.7. It is right next to that ester, so that gives it a +3. So we'll expect to see this one at 4.7. Integration, there's only 1 proton at that position. And it has 6 neighbors, so we'll expect to see a septet, or 7 peaks. The methyls to the right, the ones I drew triangles on, they're methyl, so they'll start as a 0.9. They are 1 away from an ester, and so that gives them a +0.6. So we'll expect to see them at 1.5. There are 6 of them, so the integration will be 6, and they have 1 neighbor, which makes them a doublet. And if we were very talented at drawing, this is what we would see. I'm not going to expect you to actually draw these, but I will expect you to be able to figure out the shift, integration, and multiplicity. So let's look and see how many signals we're going to get from this compound. I see 4. I'm going to do different colors here. Okay, so let's start with the green protons. They start as a 1.2 because there are 2 of them. They are right next to this carbonyl, so that's +1. We'll expect to see their shift at 2.2. They will be a triplet because they'll be split by the orange protons that are next to them. And our integration, we'll expect to see 2 hydrogens. The orange ones will also start at 1.2 because there are 2 of them. They are 1 away from the aldehyde group, so we'll put them at 0.2. They're on the beta. And so we'll expect this to be 1.4. We will expect it to be split by the green above it and the pink below it. So we'll get 3 peaks of 3. And our integration will show that there are 2 protons giving that signal. The third one, the pink one, also starts as 1.2. It is 1 away. It's beta to the ester group, so that gives it 0.6. We get 1.8. That's where we'll expect to see it. The pink ones will be split by the orange and by the blue, so we'll get 3 peaks of 3 again, and we'll have 2 hydrogens giving the signal. Okay, so we get to the blue ones. They also start as 1.2. They are right next to that ester, so they get shifted 3 for that. That gives us expect to see them at 4.8. The blue ones here will be split by the pink ones, so we'll expect to see a triplet. And the integration will show that there are 2 protons. Okay, so how about this one? Well, we're lucky that this molecule is very symmetric, and so we don't have that many different proton signals to look at. The first is the green one, and it is going to be at 10 parts per million. It's a singlet, and will have 2 hydrogens, because there's one here at this end and there's one at the other end. And the reason this is downshifted so much is that it is an aldehyde. Okay. Let's look at the orange ones next. The orange ones, they are methyl groups, so they start as 0.9. They are 1 away from an aldehyde and from a carbonyl, sorry, and so it'll be 0.2, and that'll give us 1.1. They are not going to be split by anything. This neighboring carbon has no protons on it, so it will be a singlet. And there will be 12 hydrogens. So we've got 6 on this side and 6 on this side. So let's go to the pink. The pink are methylene, so they start as 1.2, and then they are 1 away from this aldehyde, from this carbonyl group, so that gives them a 0.2. They are 1 away from this oxygen, which gives them 0.5. So we'll expect to see them around 1.9. They will be a triplet because they'll be split by the blue protons just to the right. And there are 4 hydrogens. The blue, they're methylene, so they start as 1.2. They are right next to this oxygen right here, and so we'll have to add 2.5, and we'll expect to find them shifted down to 3.7. They will be a triplet as well because they're being split by the pink ones, and there are 4 of them. The navy, I changed from purple to navy, hoping to make it a little more legible. They're also methylene, so they start as 1.2. They are next to this oxygen, and so they'll get a 2.5. They are also right next to this carbonyl group, and so they'll get a 1, and they'll be downshifted to 4.7. They will be a singlet because none of the neighboring carbons have protons, and there'll be 4 hydrogens.